and welcome to our S4HANA Public Cloud 2602 release video. My name is Charlotte Verstraeten and I'm joined by my colleague Emma Klinke.
Hi everyone. At Flexo we have explored the new 2602 Public Cloud release, and today we will walk you through the key new features and improvements line of business by line of business.
Let's start with AI and innovations. Now in this release, Joule has expanded with new data objects and informational flows, strengthening its overall insights. Navigational and transactional functions remain limited for now, but are expected to grow in the future releases. Sales order management also gets a boost with AI-assisted extraction. So internal sales reps can now create sales orders directly from purchase order files such as PDFs. Now this speeds up processing and reduces manual work. And together these updates will bring more intelligence and automation to the daily sales operations.
In the 2602 release, subcontracting purchase orders are now integrated with transportation management. This enables advanced planning, execution, and also freight settlement. A new app, Manage Freight Costs Posting Errors, helps monitor and resolve the posting issues during the goods receipt for subcontracting deliveries. Also, dangerous goods forms for all transport modes can now be extended with both custom and standard fields. And finally, cross-company purchasing organizations are now supported in freight documents with the company code still selected manually.
Okay, interesting. Now, next module is sales. With this release, you can manage various sales documents in one central place. The updated VA05 now consolidates customer returns, consignment orders, service orders, and non-charge sales orders into one single view. You can quickly navigate down to item or schedule line level. And next to that, when creating a sales order for a one-time customer, the system now prompts you to update the address after entering sold to parties, just like the VA05. Next up is sourcing and procurement. A couple of very practical, smaller fine-tunings have been introduced in procurement. Attachments added to purchase requisitions no longer need to be re-uploaded manually, as they can now transfer automatically from to the purchase order after conversion. You can also preview how purchase orders will move along the approval flow by using the Workflow Simulate feature. Next to that, rework steps in purchase requisition flows are easier to follow up thanks to automated email deadline notifications. And finally, requesters gain clearer visibility into the delivery process with the in-process goods receipt status in the My Purchase Requisition app. That will be it for procurement.
Okay, nice improvements. Next up is plant maintenance. For plant maintenance, the new release brings a new app, being the Asset Overview app. This app will bring all equipment and functional location data together, will allow quick navigation and also direct access to maintenance notifications and orders. Some smaller improvements include the ability to now remove obsolete sort fields for maintenance plans, and also richer text formatting for order and job long text in the Perform Maintenance Jobs app, which will increase work instruction clarity for maintenance technicians. The Manage Maintenance Notification app that was introduced with the previous 2508 release also gets updates, including situation handling, new filters, and Joule AI support. Manufacturing also gains efficiency with the option to now combine identical operations from multiple production orders into one single consolidated order. Also in managed routings, copying routings is much faster, also with AI assisting you.
Okay, and finance payment advice processing gets a nice improvement. SAP Document AI is now built into managed payment advices, giving more accurate extraction and support for multiple languages. Authorizations also become easier to manage with the option to restrict cost centers using cost center access by company code. And there's a new app, Actual Liquidity Analysis, giving a clear view on actual cash flows in bank accounts using the review booklet technology.
Okay, interesting. For professional services, two new apps, Manage Projects and Manage Work Packages, offer redesigned, streamlined experiences for both maintaining internal projects and resource-based work packages. The Project Control app also has an improved user interface and now includes clearer sections for planning, purchasing, work packages and financials. And this will replace the older fact sheets.
That's great. Thank you, Emma. That wraps up the highlights for 2602.
Thank you for watching. For more details, please check out our Flexo release page and follow us on LinkedIn. and see you in 6 months for the 2608 release video.
Bye-bye.